We are now going to install this Node.js that we are going to be using for our Ionic. This is part of what's actually being built. And if you go to this nodejs.org, and you can see there's two versions, and the one we want is the one on the left here with 8.9.4 in this case. And just download it and save it, and make sure that you start installing this and just follow this guide straight through. There's no real extra thing to do. Just type in your password here in a second and we will get ready for this. So this Node.js is what actually help us control and building our Ionic and using all these dependencies, these like small systems that are put together with it. But let's go over here and now see if we got it installed. So open your terminal or command prompt and type in node /v, and if you see a version here, then it's installed, and also type in npm -v to see if you got this installed. So we need these two installed on our computer to continue working forward, and this is just one of yet another of these dependencies that we need to have installed to continue what we're doing.